This would be called a digitalization of PANAJI police station records, basically of crime photographs and fingerprints. As regards digital fingerprinting, at any point of time, at any point of time, if you want to see the records of the person arrested, you could just put his fingerprints on the machine and you could get his full profile of his past.
So I congratulate Panjim Police Station for the initiative, and I also hope that in other police stations we will be able to replicate similar initiatives, and in fact we can also integrate the various police stations in Goa in the coming course of time, so that with regard to the data regarding criminals, we have a connectivity and easy interchange of profiles of criminals. So that will save a lot of time, and that will also render any attempt by a person who is actually a criminal of a police station and who poses to be innocent in any other police station in Goa.
खंय डिजिटायजेशन खंय एक्सेस कंट्रोल ना जाल्यार पुलीस स्टेशनाचे खंय सँक्टिटी दवरपाक जाय, रिकॉर्ड सारके आसपाक जाय. आनी म्हाका दिसता जर क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड्स इफ दे कॅन गेट एट द सम विदीन फ्यू सेकंड्स तांकां खुबशी मदत जातली. डेफिनेटली this pilot project जो तांणी हातान घेतला will go a long way to make our police station more smart, and I think if we can take this at a state level then definitely सगळी जर कनेक्ट करत जाल्यार वर्किंग कोऑर्डिनेशन येतलें.